开始。
Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Liu, and today I'm going to accompany you to visit our production line of making the artificial trees, artificial green trees, green leaf trees. Okay, and it's my honor to stand here to give you introduction about our companies. Yeah, first let's look at our factory. We have more than 3,000 square meters factories and square factories, and we have been in this business for more than 5 years. And so now let's accompany you to visit our production line one by one. Okay, and you can see we have done a lot of green leaves trees, and they are different size and different leaves. Yeah, some of them are fiberglass trunk, and some of them are real wood trunk. Yeah. Okay, let's go. And see, all of the branch, yeah, is assembled. And here you can see we have do the remarks on the branch on the trunk, so you will be easier for you to install the branch on the trunk. And this is a fiberglass materials. Yeah, 3 trunk, and this is a mantle base, very stronger to keep it best. And on the 4 corner, it has some holes to for you to fix the panel on the ground with the screws. Okay, and next I want to show you another leaves. Yeah, these green leaves are very popular for the restaurant, hotel decoration. Yeah, and also fiberglass. And you see, this is a base, it's a round shape because we will install this tree on a pot. A flower pot is a round shapes. And here you see it is artificial palm trees. Yeah, it's for indoor and outdoor both okay. And this is leaves. Yeah, you see it's very natural colors. Yeah, very natural colors. And this size is 3 meter high. And actually we can do 4 meter or 5 meter. Okay, so next trees I want to suggest you is these ones. Yeah, these ones we call it 福禄虫 trees. Yeah, and this tree, the size around 2 meter, 2.5 meter. Yeah, ground size is about 1.2 meter. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Yeah, and here you can see some other trees. Yeah, all of them are used for the hotel and the restaurant decoration. And look at this, many trees and the production we already finished. And all of them, how we pack them, we will pack them in a wooden frame, and we can ship to you by sea or by air. Normally we ship by sea, and importantly we can supply you DDP service, door-to-door service. Yes. Okay, let's go to see more trees. Yeah, and here a lot of the branch is a real wood branch, so we use them to make the tree branch and install the leaves on the real wood. Yes, this is real wood. But before exporting, we need to paint it. Yeah, paint it to the same color as the trunk. Yeah, and you see we have many the trees. Yeah, and actually normally our production is 15 days to 20 days. It depends on your quantity of the order. Yeah, and also at the same time, so we also have some stock, some artificial tree stock. Yes, and you see all of the tree we do remarks. This is 12, number 12, and number 13, and 14. Yes, so if you have different store or different shops, so we need to remark the tree. This is number 1 and number 2. This is for this store and this store and this store. Yes, and we will pack them independently. Yeah. Okay. And this is the small trees. Yeah, bonsai trees. It's olive tree. Yeah, and we fix it already on the flower pot. Yeah, for the decoration on the front desk of the hotel and the restaurant. Okay, and next I want to show you another kind of the palm trees. Come with me. And here, this is some of the leaves. Yeah, some of the leaves we make the trees. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And come with me. Yeah. And that one, yeah, is another kind of palm tree. And look at this box. Yeah, this is our packing style. We package the artificial tree with the frame, with the wooden frame. Yeah, and around some up air bubble film to make it stable and nice. Yes. Okay, let's see these trees. This is another kind of palm tree. We call it old palm tree, yeah, or Washington palm tree. That is very popular for the garden decoration or for the zone, for the playground, or even the playground indoor decorations. Yeah, this tree, this size is 4 meters. And look at the font size, really huge. And we can do customized. For example, this tree is 4 meters, and we make it with about 18 pieces of the leaves. So that's why it looks beautiful and amazing. Yeah. And all of the branch is assembled. We can take it out and pack it independently. When you receive them and you install the palm leaves on the trunk. Yeah. And the trunk, it is a real tree bark, but we can do the fumigation before shipping. So you don't need to worry about that. And also the material can be outdoor for a long time. And we have approved the certificates of the UV proof, and we can give you the UV proof certificates. Our products, we can be outdoor at least 5 years, but we can warranty 1 or 2 years for you. Yeah, and this is about this tree information. You know, our company, we have in this business more than 5 years. We have exported to USA market, Europe market, and especially Saudi Arabia and Dubai market is our main market. We have do a lot of project for the garden, for the government project. And if you want to learn more about our company, please contact with us. And we can do the customized service for you. For example, we can do the trees for you based on the customized size, customized design, customized price on your project, on your budget. That's it. Yeah. So, and this year we will promote our products in some new market, Asia market. So we have designed many new styles of the trees. If you want to learn more, please contact with us. Thank you very much. And so far, actually, we have office in Guangzhou City. We have branch office in Saudi Arabia market, in USA market. Yes. So if you want to buy the trees more quickly, you can contact with our agent distributor. And so hope this video can help you to learn more about us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.